Pneumatic Scope Holder by Geister. The device enables easy handling and manipulation of a scope, followed by total steadiness and stability. The control lever is located near the end of the instrument arm. The system comes with a 10mm scope sheath, a 5mm scope sheath, and a rotating tightening ball. During setup, insert the scope into the appropriate sheath. Then insert the sheath into the rotation ball and tighten the black knob until fully secure. The central stand. The central stand has two rotational ball joints and the bed rail clamp is fixated to the stand. To set up the central stand, introduce the top of the bed clamp at an angle so it firmly sits on the bed rail. Pull down on the bottom movable section of the clamp so it sets on the underside of the bed rail. Tighten the round silver knob until the unit is fully secured. To disassemble and detach the clamp, reverse these steps. To attach the instrument arm, align the two indicator dots with the arrow. Insert the arm into the stand and turn the knob a quarter of a turn. To attach the supply hose to the stand or the tank, when the system is ready for CO2, you can attach the hose by simply inserting it until it clicks in. Both connections are equipped with quick disconnect buttons. Be sure to close the CO2 valve when you are finished with the device. Once the CO2 supply is shut off, press the control lever until all internal CO2 bleeds out. The device will become flexible once again. To remove the scope, turn the fixator knob a quarter of a turn and remove the ball by adding slight tension to the internal spring. Some things you need to know for the safety of the device. Always attach the device to the bed rail and all of its parts prior to turning on the CO2. Secondly, never turn on CO2 without a scope or device in the rotation ball. This can damage it. And lastly, always bleed the CO2 and detach the supply hose prior to disassembly of the system.